Welcome back to Enlighten Us Arabic. You are joining us for lesson 43 and we have come back full circle to verb form 1, فعل. Now let's have a look at why. Now the secret here, if we have a look at the past tense, الفعل الماضي lies in the عين. As you can see, for verb form 1, the عين can be فعل, it can have a fatha. The عين can have a kasra, so it can be فعل, or it can have a dhamma, it can be فعل. There's not only a discrepancy or a difference in the past tense, we see something similar in the present tense. Let's have a look at some examples. So for verb form 1, you have فعل. You can have a فعل مضارع at the present tense, which is يفعل. So let's have a look at some examples. You have جمع, he gathered, يجمع, he gathers. Or you have قطع, he cut, يقطع, he cuts. Let's have a look at another example. You have فعل يفعل. Notice now the عين has a kasra, so it's still the fatha on the past tense. Let's look at some examples. We have جلس, he sat, يجلس, he sits. And we have ضرب, he struck, يضرب, he strikes. Let's have a look at another example. So still فعل, still with the fatha, we have يفعل. So we have خرج, he went out, يخرج, he goes out. And we have نصر, he helped, ينصر, he helps. Now if you've noticed, we have فعل, so we've moved on to the kasra, يفعل. That's our present tense. Let's have a look at some examples. علم, he knew, يعلم, he knows. And لعب, he played, يلعب, he plays. Let's have a look at another example. So again, with فعل, you can have يفعل, again with a kasra. And some examples, حسب, he assumed, يحسب, he assumes, or ورث, he inherited, يرث, he inherits. Now let's move on. You can also have فعل, and if you notice now the عين has a dhamma, يفعل. This is our مضارع, this is our present tense. We have حسن, he was pleasant, يحسن, he is pleasant. And we have عظم, he was great, يعظم, he is great. Let's have a look at a ملخص, a bit of a summary. Let's bring everything together. We start off with the past tense, الفعل الماضي. You'll notice that for verb form 1, you have 3 options. So you have فعل, فعل, فعل. And then for our present tense, for الفعل المضارع, for فعل, its مضارع, its present tense can be يفعل, يفعل, يفعل. فعل, its present tense can be يفعل, يفعل. And فعل only has the one option, يفعل. So as you can see, in total, there are 6 different options for verb form 1. Thank you for joining this lesson. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you in the next one, inshallah.